Hey, how's it going? Welcome to another MLittleProgramming tutorial. This video is for the Python tutorials clip series, which I've linked to the top right now, and I've linked the full playlist in the description down below. The Python tutorial clip series takes clips from the full-length videos on Python topics from the Python tutorials for beginners series, so you can get the information you need faster. This clip is from the Python exception handling video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of this type of content. Let's jump straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at else and finally in Python error handling. We'll take a look at the syntax for finally, what finally does, the syntax for else, and what else does. The first we will look at is the keyword finally. If a finally is defined, the code inside of it will be executed regardless if the try block raises an error or not. So if we were to add a finally clause to our code, and inside it print the try catch has been executed, this would run whether the code within the try block caused an error or not. To show this, we'll run the code we've currently got that causes a type error, and we will see that there was an error of some kind has been printed, because we have caused an error that hasn't been specified in our other except clauses. And the try catch has been executed statement has also been printed, because the finally clause executes whether we have caused an error or not. On the flip side, if we were to come into our try block and correct this casting so it didn't cause an error, and instead pass in an integer as a string, and we run this, we'll see that the try catch has been executed statement is printed because the finally clause will still execute even when there's no error being caused. If we only wanted to print a message to the user if we didn't cause an error, we can use the else piece of syntax. The code inside an else block will not run if there's no error caused by the code inside this try block. The use case of else could be that we wanted to print something like, there was no error caused, on completion of our try except block. So, if we were to run this code now, there was no error caused would be printed, as there's no error that has been caused in the try block. However, if we were to cause any of the errors we've seen so far in this video, we wouldn't see anything printed. To show this, we'll just pass in our text variable as an argument into the int constructor and run the program. And that's just about it for Python error handling. I'll put a link to the code you've seen in this video in the description down below. Thank you for watching the video this far. I hope you got a lot of value from it. If you'd like to see more Python programming tutorials, there will be a link in the description down below to a playlist of Python programming tutorials. With that said, if you liked the video, if you could drop a like on the video, it would be much appreciated, as it really helps the channel, and subscribe to see new Python programming tutorials every week. Also, if you've got any questions about the video, drop a comment down below and I'll get back to you. Have a great day.